Are you hosting a large dinner party and excited to do it, but also scared? Well, I've done it before, and here are the 10 things I recommend. Number one, make the menu. Ahead of time, make the menu. Know exactly what's on the menu. Even if it's tea, you have to write it out so you don't forget to make it the day off. Number two, collect all of the recipes so you're not scrambling to figure out how to make that thing, even if you've made it 100 times before. If you need to glance at something, the recipe is right there. Number three, make a full buy list. Break it down. Which stores you're gonna have to buy these items in, and which stores you're gonna have to buy these items in, and then make only one trip to that store and buy all of the things that that store carries. Number four, write out everything that can be made a day or two before versus things that have absolutely to be made the day off. For example, like a salad. Salad has to be made the day of the party. But cranberry sauce, if you're hosting Thanksgiving, can be made a few days before. Number five, if you can, prep all the things you can prep the day before. For example, if you need onions, carrots, potatoes, get them done before. You can't cut potatoes ahead of time, but you can wash them and dry them. You can chop up all of the onions. You can chop up all of the carrots. You can pre-wash all of your herbs and dry them out, so then you can just chop them up and use them as you go. Number six, write out your game plan for the day of the dinner party. Write out the times. When you're gonna get up and start. What dish you're gonna make first, second, third, fourth. When do you think you'll start that dish, and when do you think you'll finish it? And while this dish is cooking, what dish are you making? Number seven, actually have a mental picture. Visualize yourself getting up in the morning and doing all of these things up to having people arrive. Like athletes, they have to visualize themselves running a marathon once they're training for the marathon. It's kind of your like little mini marathon, but in the kitchen. Visualize yourself. It really helps. And it helps to decrease anxiety and stress the day off. Number eight, and this is an important one, do not try new recipes when you're making a large dinner. Make sure all of the recipes you have, you've done before at least once. And if you want to try a new recipe for this dinner party, try it out a few days before, a week before, a few weeks before, so that if there are any issues you run into, you're not stressing about it. You've already run into those issues and you know how to fix them. Number nine, don't forget the cocktail. Come up with a signature cocktail for the dinner party and write out the recipe. Involve the guests in making it as they arrive. A lot of times people want to help in the kitchen. Well, give them the recipe and all the ingredients and let them mix drinks. It's fun and it frees up your hands to do other things. And last but not least, number 10, in your to-do list for the day off, at the very end before the guests arrive, make sure you leave enough time for yourself to take a shower, change, and put on your face. You want to look good and feel good when guests arrive. And I put on a fresh apron, so when I'm greeting my guests, I look fabulous. I hope this helps. Good luck. Happy Thanksgiving.